Okay, guys, after the declaration of Biafran independence in Finland, in homeland as well, activities are going on without looking back. Biafrans have decided to, man the flags around almost all the strategic places in Biafran land. Many corners of Biafran land are now having Biafran flag. And we have seen some military officers trying to take advantage of that, to go against it actually by pulling some of the flag down. But of course, it's expected, like I always say. But I just want to share with us some of the activities, especially in Igodomigodo land, and Biafran presence are there, of course. Few weeks ago, as the convention day was fast approaching, we saw a video of Biafran in Igodomigodo land, commanders in that region doing what they can do to make sure that Biafran voice are being heard and Biafrans are being represented in the homeland. So without wasting much of your time, please watch the video and I will be right back.
Anyoma, Branem, Calabar, Ebonyi, Ebube, Eda, Enugu, Epei, Esa Igodomigodo, Ezani, Iden Igodomigodo, Idu Ibon, Igala, Ibani, Ika, Ikemba, Ikom, Ikumesia, Itai, Iwere, Ihuronha, Odumegu, Ogbia, Ogoja, Ọhabuenyi, Ọhukwu, Ọkigwe, Omambala, Olu, Owerri, Kwa, South Atlantic, Urobo Isoko. In this historic event, the 40th state of Biafra today marks the dawn of a new chapter, where every citizen stands tall under the banner of freedom and justice. So we, the nation of Biafra, lowers the flag of colonial Nigeria and Britain and put a complete end to subjugation as we raise the Biafra flag, united in our resolve for a future of peace and prosperity of Biafra. Biafra!
Biafra will have you.
Biafra!
Biafra will have you.
Biafra!
Biafra will have you.
Biafra!
Biafra will have you. Land of the rising sun, once you go. Land of the rising sun, we love and cherish. Beloved homeland of our brave heroes, we must defend our life or we shall perish. We shall protect our hearts from our foes. But if the prize is there for we obey, then let us die with a shed of tears. Head to be a consecrated nation. O Fatherland, this be our solemn pledge. Defending thee shall be a dedication. Spirit of God, we count a privilege. The way we stand that we shall body the free shall always be a flag of liberty.
This is happening live in other states, and as you can see, the Biafrans are ready to go, and that is why we are trying as much as possible. We are trying our best. Our PM is also trying his best for us to leave this zoological country called Nigeria. We are tired of living in a country where there is no equality, where nobody is comfortable. When you do anyhow, you'll be arrested. We are tired of being in that country. Today, we've decided that the flag of the oppressor must be brought down, which is, as we are lowering the flag of the oppressor, it is not just in symbol, but it is in essence rejecting tyranny and oppression. We are tired of the oppression. Imagine, how can someone be living in a country and then the citizen will be oppressed? We are tired of such country. Everybody is equal to the law. So we are tired. In order for us to stop all this meanness and everything happening around us, we have to go. We have to leave. And this is just to mark an end to that. So this flag falls as a testament to the end of the era marked by fear and control. Down with the banner of suppression. Let it never rise again. As the flag of Nigeria, which it is not Nigeria, as the flag of the zoo is falling down, let it never rise again. It is marking the end of suppression. We can never be suppressed. Nothing can ever suppress Dunu Chineke. As this flag descends, so do the chains of our past. Nothing shall ever stop us. The chain of our past has fallen. Today, we bury not just cloth. We do not bury cloth. We bury more than that. We bury an ideology of subjugation. Not only that, as you're bringing down the flag of the Nigerians, being the flag of the zoological country, we have decided that it shall never rise again, and nothing shall ever bring it high. Nothing ever on earth. We the Biafrans say no, it can never be risen up again. Today, as the flag of freedom is being raised, it shall never fall. Let it wait for peace. Let this flag rise high as a beacon of liberty and justice for all. As is risen, nothing shall bring it down. As is risen, nothing shall ever make it fall. As it is risen, nothing shall, no man, no Jupiter on earth can ever bring it down. Nothing can ever bring it low again. In the name of freedom, we bring up this flag. Let it wave for peace and prosperity. As it is waving up high, so it is waving for peace. As it is waving up high, so it is waving for prosperity, and nothing shall ever bring it down. The flag ascends with our hopes, dreams, and the promise of a new beginning. As this flag has risen, it is a new beginning for all. It is a new beginning for the Biafrans. It is a new beginning for Umuigbo. The people that are being hated, the people that are hated by the Hausas, the Yorubas, the Fulanis, it is a new beginning for us. Let them come and see us. Let them come and see what our destiny is going to become, what is going to turn to. To the future, we hold this emblem of freedom, unity, and resilience. We are raising this flag. It is for unity. It is for resilience. And nothing shall ever stop that unity. We are tired of being in a country where nobody is united. Nobody is brother to each other. Whenever you see anybody, it looks as if you see your enemy. In fact, it's not even you see your enemy. Nobody is anybody's enemy. In this stupid country we find ourselves in. With this flag, we declare our independence, our commitment to equality. We are already rejoicing because our independence has come to be. We are only waiting for the 2nd of December so that everything will burst out boom. So that we will rejoice together. And nothing shall ever stop that. On the 2nd of December, everybody is going, and we are going to be happy for that. Yeah. And not only that, we pray and we know that our PM, Simon Ekpa, that God will hold him strongly and nothing shall stop that. On the 2nd of December, we are ready to declare our independence, and then on that day also, we will be declared as a sovereign state, and nothing shall stop that. On that day, the country being the Biafran country, it shall stand, and then it shall rise, and then unity shall reign, justice shall reign, no more corruption, nothing shall stop us, nothing shall stop this country any longer. In Chiko Kiki Abiaman's name I pray.
Isa Makande Sunodieme Nekura Mechara Yeah, Biafra flag flying very high. I was very happy when I saw this thing. Wow. Wow. Wow.
So that is the activities of Biafran army or Biafran commanders there in Igodomigodo. Though it reported that Nigerian army and Nigerian forces are working hard to make sure they pull down flags. Although I have seen one of the video where they were actually pulling one of the flag down, but I did not add it here on this video. Maybe on subsequent video you are gonna see that video. But be it as it may, Biafrans are not looking back. They keep on pushing back, which is expected. Nobody is saying that after declaration that it's going to be, bed of roses. We have to encounter challenges. Of course, they will have to resist. People that are known for resistance of anything, freedom or anything that we give peace, they always go against it. So it's expected anyway. So tell me what you think about this video that you just watched. Do you agree or disagree about the declaration? What is your take on that? And tell me where you're watching from. Subscribe if you're new. See you again on the next one. Bye bye for now. Take care of yourself. Take care. Bye bye.